The RADView CT Personal Dosimeter Badge is a new device designed to monitor ionizing radiation exposures from CT scans of patients.
The product's been in development for about 3.5 years. Early on, we felt that there could be a need to monitor the increased use of CT scans to see whether or not the exposure people were getting was necessary and whether it was adding a great deal to the population's exposure overall.
Manufactured in the form of a badge smaller than a credit card, it contains radiation-sensitive film. Exposure of the RADView CT dosimeter during a CT scan produces a dye that changes the color of the radiation-sensitive film in proportion to the dose received by a patient.
The RADView CT dosimeter is a dosimeter designed specifically for measuring the exposure from a CAT scan. And it is instant color changing when it is hit by radiation.
Recent patient overexposures during CT scans, as well as a directive from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration suggesting tighter regulations for the CT industry, make this device an ideal solution for CT manufacturers, hospitals, physicians, patients, and insurance companies.
It tells me whether or not the patient has received the dose that was expected and that they haven't received an unintended dose.
The widespread use of the dosimeters will help reduce unintended overexposures and assist in reducing patient exposure without sacrificing image quality. Including the dosimeter as part of a patient's permanent healthcare record will benefit hospitals should there ever be a query regarding doses from a specific scanner.
It protects the patient, it protects the hospital, it protects the physicians, insurers, and really it's a win-win situation for everybody. It's a good tool to use for CAT scans, which are a very important diagnostic tool. We got the idea basically because the film had been used for many, many years in other areas of the medical profession, and we just saw this as a new use for a product that was already available.
The dosimeter is self-developing and provides an immediate visual indication of radiation exposure. The result can verify that the wearer did not receive an unexpected and unintended dose of radiation. The dosimeter has a backing of a medically approved adhesive and can be attached to the patient at the site of the scan without appearing on the resulting image.
They're very inexpensive. They're about $20 each, and obviously in large quantities, much less.
For more information about RADView CT dosimeters, contact Radico Health Incorporated by emailing info@radicohealth.com. See the website at www.radicohealth.com.